Google Chrome is packed with features most people don't even know exist. Beyond just browsing, Chrome has hidden tools that can make your life easier, your workflow faster, and your online experience safer. Today, we'll explore some of the best hidden Chrome features you should start using in 2025. First, Chrome's Task Manager is a secret gem. Press Shift plus ES key to see how much memory and CPU each tab or extension is using. You can even close heavy tabs individually without shutting down your whole browser. This is perfect if your computer starts slowing down when too many tabs are open. Next, Chrome flags unlock experimental features that aren't visible in the normal settings. Type Chrome//flags in the address bar to access options like smoother scrolling, parallel downloading, and tab freezing. These features are hidden for a reason, but trying them can give your browser a noticeable performance boost. Another useful feature is Omnibox tricks. The address bar can do more than search Google. You can perform calculations, convert units, check the weather, or search specific websites by typing @ and the site name. It's a hidden shortcut that turns your browser into a mini productivity hub. Chrome also has built-in screenshot and PDF tools. Instead of installing an extension, go to More Tools, capture screenshot, or simply save any page as a PDF. This is perfect for saving articles, guides, or reports directly from your browser. For privacy-focused users, incognito mode enhancements are worth exploring. Beyond private browsing, you can use extensions to block trackers even in incognito, giving you more control over your online footprint. Finally, Chrome's accessibility features are often overlooked. Tools like live caption for videos, text-to-speech, caret browsing, and high contrast mode make websites easier to navigate for everyone, whether you need better readability or want to follow content without sound. Unlocking these hidden Chrome features can make your browsing faster, smarter, and safer. If you learned something new today, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss more tech tips in 2025.